Hello, we are still at Winchester and there's a non-stopping train coming through. It's frustrating, it's raining as well. That's frustrating, it's raining as well. You can still feel it though. A little bit. I don't know what this will be, actually. Oh, here we go. I think it's another freight. Yeah, it is. Oh yeah, that's the one. That is a cool colour scheme actually. It works so well. Yeah.
It's basically part of the colour scheme.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah. That is forming the 1453 South Western Railway service still on the Waterloo. This service came in from Portsmouth Harbour. Services that go from here go via Basingstoke. So this service will be calling at Micheldever, Basingstoke, Fleet, Farnborough, Woking and then Waterloo. And the other one that just went through was a Class 66, forming a service presumably to Southampton docks. Quite a few wagons with flat wheels on that freight as well. Sounded like it, didn't it? You can tell with the yeah. Ooh, that's a weird noise. Sounds like an air system almost.
It does.
It's insane acceleration. God. Huh? Oh, interesting.